Hello there, my friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force your iPhone to take JPEGs instead of the high efficiency format HEIC or HEIF. So what you need to do is, you would think you would go into your camera, but you don't. What you do instead is you go to Settings, and then you go to Camera Settings. So if you're in Settings here, at the top, go down, go down, go down to Camera. Click on Camera, and here you'd think, oh, it's somewhere over here. Nope. You go to Formats. Click on Formats. And then here at the top, it says High Efficiency or Most Compatible. So underneath that, you have in very small print this writing. It says, to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency HEIF, HEVC format. Most compatible, which is this one, will always use JPEG H.264. However, cinematic video 4K at 60 FPS, 1080p at 240 FPS, which is like for slow motion and such, and HDR video will require high efficiency. So the difference is the high efficiency photos take up less space than the JPEGs, and the quality is nearly identical. So for photos, I definitely want to do that. And I also want to have the option to take cinematic video and to take 4K video and to have really good slow-mo video. So I'm going to keep it in high efficiency. But because there are certain times when I want to use JPEGs, especially when I'm making t-shirts, things like that, I might want to switch it. So it's good to know how to do this. So I hope you guys got some value from that video. If you did, please hit like. That helps me. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.